Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make your PowerPoint slide more creative. Whether you are presenting for school, work or just want to create great slide, this simple technique will make your presentation look professional and engaging. So let's start the video. First, let's start by setting our slide background with image. Go to the Insert tab, click on Picture, select and insert it. Now go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Click on Rotate, go to More Rotation, make size 45 here and select Flip horizontally. Duplicate two of the shape and adjust them like this. Select the three shapes and choose Union from Merge Shape. Select both again, go to the Format and choose Intersect from the Merge Shape. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, click on Shadow, select this inner shadow from preset. Increase blur size. Also select background color using eyedropper. Now let's add some content to the slide. Use text boxes to highlight your main points or a heading. Then start by selecting the elements you want to animate, such as an image. Go to the Animation tab, select Fly In. Go to the Animation pane, select the Effect option. You can adjust the direction to make the elements fly from right to left. Increase bounce end. Select a duration of 2 seconds. Then OK. Using the Animation Painter, apply the same animation to the rest of the text boxes and change the direction. And that's it. By using fly-in animation, you can create more creative and visually appealing PowerPoint slides. These simple techniques are a great way to add some flair to your presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and let me know in the comment what PowerPoint tricks you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.